Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 7th Mathematics and its lesson number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. In previous video, we have learned about the interior and exterior of an angle and adjacent angles. Okay, now we will learn about complementary angles. First, the definition. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angles. Okay, means addition of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then we say that these two angles are complementary angle. Okay, observe these two angles. Here, measure of angle ABC equal to 40 degree and measure of angle PQR is 50 degree. If we add the measure of these two angles, that is measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle PQR is equal to 40 degree plus 50 degree equal to 90 degree. That means the sum of the measures of angle ABC and angle PQR is 90 degree. Therefore, they are complementary angles. Okay. Now we will solve examples in practice set 16.
First question. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. In this question, the measure of some angles are given and we have to find their complementary angles. So, first measure is 40 degree. Now we have to find complementary angle of this angle. Let's see solution. First we have to suppose the measure of complementary angle be x degree. So, we have to write here, let the measure of complementary angle be x degree. You know that complementary angle means addition of two angle is 90 degree. That means addition of measure of these two angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we write therefore 40 degree plus x degree equal to 90 degree. Okay. Here we have to find the value of x. So, to find value of x, we subtract 40 from both sides. Therefore, 40 plus x minus 40 equal to 90 minus 40. Here, subtracting 40 from both sides. Okay. Now 40 minus 40 0 and 0 plus x is x. Therefore x equal to 90 minus 40 is 50. Okay. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. Okay. Now see second example. Second is 60 degree. We have to find complement of this angle. Therefore, first we have to suppose that let the measure of complementary angle be x degree. Therefore, By definition of complementary angle, we have to write 63 plus x equal to 90 degree, because sum of measures of complementary angle is 90 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. Therefore we subtract 63 from both sides. Therefore write down 63 plus x minus 63 equal to 90 minus 63. Here write down reason: subtracting 63 from both sides. Okay, 63 minus 63 is 0, and 0 plus x is x. Therefore x equal to 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63 is 27. Therefore the measure of complement of angle of measure 63 degree is 27 degree. Okay, now next is 45 degree. Let's see solution. First we have to suppose the measure of complementary angle be x degree. Let the measure of will be x degree. We know that addition of two angles is, we know that complementary angles means addition of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore we write 45 plus x equal to 90. Here we have to find the value of x. Therefore subtract 45 from both sides. Therefore 45 plus x minus 45 equal to 90 minus 45. Write down here reason: subtracting 45 from both sides. Okay, 45 minus 45 is 0, and 0 plus x is x. Therefore x equal to 90 minus 45 is 45. Therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 45 degree is 45 degree. Okay, now see next example. Let's see solution. Here we have to find complement of 55 degree. So let the measure of complementary angle be x degree. Therefore 55 degree plus x degree is 90. Okay, now we have to find the value of x. Therefore we subtract 55 from both sides. Therefore 55 plus x minus 55 equal to 90 minus 55. Subtracting 55 from both sides. 55 minus 55 is 0, and 0 plus x is x, which is equal to 90 minus 55 is equal to 35. This is measure of complement of 55. Therefore write down, therefore the measure of the complement of an angle angle of major 55 degree is 35 degree. Okay, now see fifth example. Fifth is 20 degree. Here we have to find the complement of this angle. So let's see solution. First we have to suppose the measure of complementary angle be x degree. So write down, let the measure of complementary angle be x degree. Complementary angles means addition of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore we have to write 20 plus x equal to 90. Now we subtract 20 from both sides. Therefore 20 plus x minus 20 equal to 90 minus 20. Write down here reason, subtracting 20 from both sides. Now 20 minus 20 is 0 and 0 plus x is x, which is equal to 90 minus 20 is 70. Okay, this is the measure of complementary angle. Therefore write down, therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 20 degree is what? 70 degree. Okay, now see next example. Next is 90 degree. Here we have to find the complement of this angle. So let's see solution, how to find complement of this angle. Okay, let the measure of complementary angle be x degree. Okay, therefore 90 plus x equal to 90. Now we have to find the value of x. Therefore subtract 90 from both sides. Therefore 90 plus x minus 90 equal to 90 minus 90. Subtracting 90 from both sides. Okay, 90 minus 90 is 0. 0 plus x is x. Therefore x equal to 90 minus 90 is 0. Therefore this is complement of 90 degree. Therefore write down, therefore the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 90 degree is 0 degree. Okay, next example. Next is x degree. Let's see solution. Let the measure of complementary angle be y degree. Here suppose another letter. Okay, therefore x plus y equal to 90. We have to find the value of y. Therefore subtract x from both sides because we remove x. Therefore x plus y minus x equal to 90 minus x.
subtracting x from both sides. Therefore x plus y minus x minus x is 0, 0 plus y is y equal to 90 minus x. Therefore the measure of complementary angle is 90 minus x. Therefore write down the measure of the complement of an angle x degree is 90 minus x degree. Okay.
Second question is y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Here two angles are given and these two angles are complementary angles and we have to find the measure of each angle. So let's see solution. First write down y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Complementary angle means sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angle. Here these two angles are complementary angle, that means addition of measure of these two angle is 90 degree. Therefore we write y minus 20 plus y plus 30 equal to 90. Okay. Now we solve this. First we remove bracket y minus 20 plus y plus 30 equal to 90. Write down variables in one bracket y plus y plus this minus 20 plus 30 is written as 30 minus 20 equal to 90. Therefore y plus y is 2y plus 30 minus 20 is 10 equal to 90. Therefore now remove 10. Therefore now subtract 10 from both sides. Write down here subtracting 10 from both sides. Therefore we get 2y plus 10 minus 10 is 0 equal to 90 minus 10 is 80, that is 2y equal to 80. Now we remove this 2, therefore we divide 2 from both sides. Therefore 2y divided by 2 equal to 80 divided by 2. Write down here reason. Divide by 2 on both sides. Okay. Therefore 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is 1y, that is y equal to 80 by 2. 80 divided by 2 we get 40. Therefore value of y is 40. Okay. Now by substituting the value of y we get the measure of each angle. Therefore we have to find the measure of that angles. Therefore measure of first angle is equal to what? Y minus 20 degree.
y minus 20 degree, that is equal to y is 40, therefore 40 minus 20 degree, that is 40 minus 20 is 20 degree. Therefore measure of first angle is 20 degree and measure of second angle is what? Y plus 30 degree, that is equal to y is 40 plus 30 degree, which is equal to 40 plus 30 is 7. The measure of second angle is 70 degree. Therefore, the measure of two angles is what? 20 degree and 70 degree. I hope you understand what is complementary angles and how to solve examples in practice set 16. Thank you.